You want to know why your silk press ain't lasting a couple of weeks, at least a week? It's because you're not wrapping your hair properly. This silk press is about a week old and it still is giving body. It still has life. It's still airy, and I actually got rained on once or twice this week. So let's get into how to properly wrap your hair. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It is your girl Tiana Annette. Today will be a video about how to wrap your hair. I think it's really crazy. It's so simple to me, but as I create more content, as I do more hair videos, a lot of people have commented saying, oh, can you make a video on how to wrap your hair? And I'm just like, I don't know, as a black woman, I just thought that everyone grew up wrapping their silk press. But I'm gonna show y'all today how I wrap my silk press. I just recently started using this net, which I love. This will be linked on my Amazon storefront. But I just recently started using this because this keeps my hair in place all night, even if my scarf falls off. And then also because my hair can still breathe. So I really love this. I usually put this on and then my bonnet, but you can also use a scarf. I'm going to show you how I wrap my hair with this net first, and then I'm going to show you how I wrap it with just my nighttime scarf before I started using this. So let's get right into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So first things first, when your hair is freshly flat ironed or straightened, it will be kind of hard because it'll just fall. Every time you wrap around, it'll just fall. So I usually go in with some oil at nighttime. And this is not like a scalp oil. This is just a very light, I forgot what type of oils they call these, but it's just like one of them like light serums that doesn't weigh your hair down. But you want to brush all of your hair down in like a circle. So the front hair you want to bring forward like this. The back you want to brush straight back like this. Side straight down. So just imagine if you brushing your hair like I do, but this is how you do it. So I'm left-handed, so I don't know if right-handed people do theirs from this direction first, but you just start at the top and you start wrapping like this, and you just keep going around until your hair is, you just keep wrapping around until your hair gets to the front. And then if your hair starts to fall, you literally, like, you see how the hair fell back there? You put this on, and then you just like circle that hair up in there like this. Then I'll just do a little twist. Twist like that, and your hair is literally wrapped. I don't know, that's super simple to me, but I guess a lot of people don't know how to do it that way. And then you literally put your bonnet on and you be ready to. This is how I end up taking it out. You just take it off and your hair literally stays straight the whole time. This is how you get your silk press to last. This silk press is, when did I do this? I don't know, it's about a week old almost now, I feel like. Or did I do this on Monday? No, I did this on Sunday, so it's almost a week old. Still very fresh, very straight, got body, and it's because I wrap my hair each night. So now I'm gonna show you how I wrap it with a scarf. And what I do is I have one of those hair store scarves that is very big like this. And what you're gonna do is just fold it in half. Like this. And then you're gonna set this on the counter so you can be ready to snatch it up when you get your hair wrapped. So again, we're gonna brush the hair forward. course, we got some hairs falling, but again, you just grab them like this. You throw that scarf on top like this. Tie it, tuck this on the side, and then you literally just rotate that scarf. Tuck and rotate, tuck and rotate, up until your hair is all tucked away. And this is how you do it with the scarf. Like this. So this is how you wrap your hair. If you enjoyed this video, please comment below. I just want to really know who don't know how to wrap their hair. No, but for real, like, I really hope that this helped you. I hope it really helped. Yeah, I just really hope that it helped you. And comment below, like this video, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.